But the idea is that I want to put together a show. And that show is like...
That show would be called Newville. In order to put it together, I'd have to gather a bunch of materials and supplies from all over the city. Thanks, John, for skateboarding. Then I'd have to build it all. Thanks, Loic, for lifting that. And well, after the new bridge was built, the new city needed some new clouds, so I recruited some friends, and they helped me put those together. With those hung up, and the rest of the art going up on the walls, well, around that time we had the newest party in New York City.
Thank you, dude. You guys are the best. We'll be back here tomorrow to help you fix it. No, we will. No, not kidding. No way. I'm fine. What's the meaning of this guy?
Alright, well, the thing about art is that it's subjective. So, let's take it from the beginning. You have the sun, the other sun. And then in the middle you have all the people. The people of Newville, mind you. Now, they accept all the newcomers. Fuzzy man comes about. In the modern economics, you would assume that the fuzzy man would be shy, but not in the land of Newville. He's welcome. You're welcome. Jacob's about to do a flip. Jacob is gonna do a flip.
We gotta get Jordan in on this. Jordan's gotta know about this.
Make a space.
Do a flip! Do a flip! Do a flip! Do a flip!
About it for Newville. We're winding down here, but seriously, one of the best nights ever. So, like, just makes me so happy to have all my friends in one place and everybody here. That's it, guys. Thanks.